Good day, everyone, and welcome to the midweek market update. So, guys, in this session, I'm going to be breaking down pairs that I'll be focusing on throughout the day. So, without wasting any time, let us get into it. So, the first pair that I'm looking at is going to be the Swiss franc over the Japanese yen. So, this one, as we take a look on the higher time frame, we can see that price is coming from what this impulsive movement, giving us what this sideways structure, and then price did impulse, and then once again, price gave us another sideways corrective structure, as you can see over here. And then now currently price is once again giving us that type of movement whereby we're having this as our corrective structure. Now, if you can notice from this previous corrective structure is that once price breaks out, it tends to do it to impulse to the downside. Once it breaks out, it impulses to the downside. So also over here, there's a higher probability that price will be doing what will be impulsing all the way to the downside. So that's what I'm anticipating over here. So now as we're dropping on toward our lower time frame, so on the lower time frame for our entries, this is what we are looking for. So first and foremost, I'm anticipating for price to give me this impulsive movement either before the breakout or just after, and then followed through by giving me another corrective structure that I'll be using as an entry with the anticipation that price will be impulsing with me all the way to the downside. And I'm looking to enter just a few pips on the breakout, stop loss just a few pips above, and TP all the way to the downside. So this is why I'm looking at CHF over JPY. And then the other pair that I'm focused on for today is going to be the Australian dollar over the Canadian dollar. So this one, once again, let us start on the high time frame. So on the high time frame, this is what I'm seeing. So price giving me this impulsive movement, following with this small corrective structure, impulsive movement down, and then another small corrective structure. So price did impulse once again, and at the moment it is giving me what once again this corrective structure. Just like the previous price, once it breaks out, it tends to impulse. Once it tends to break out, it tends to impulse. So this is what I'm anticipating that will happen. The price will be impulsing all the way to the downside. So that's how I'm looking at this one. And on the lower time frame, in terms of my interest, once again, similar to the previous pair. So price has already begun to form this small corrective structure. So I might be using this for my entry because I'm already having a valid corrective structure, two clear swing highs and two clear swing lows. So this might be my entry pattern. Like so. Because it is near the breakout point. And how I'm looking to enter just a few pips on the breakout, stops above. And I take profit all the way to the downside. So this is how I'm also looking at the Australian dollar over the Canadian dollar. So I'm mainly focused on these two pairs, which is AUD CAD and also CHF JPY. So guys, I will continue to update you on the progress of these pairs as the market continues to develop. But for now, this is going to be the end of our session. Hopefully it was very informative and you did learn something from this. Take care guys, and I'll see you next time.